My installation at the 13th Berlin Biennale is called Law is Aesthetic, Trope. And it explores the trope that's found widely in film and literature, but also in case law, of waking up one day on the wrong side of the law. I've been working on this idea for a while. It came to me teaching Kafka's The Trial. And I became interested in the story that we tell ourselves about exceptional violence and how the story of exceptional legal violence is often told as something to come, something over there, something that's certainly not here right now. And the installation explores the ways in which that trope gets mobilized as a disciplinary device, a kind of boogeyman that's held out to lure people into the idea that everyday life under liberal legalism is not violent. The violence is over there, somewhere else, to come one day when you wake up on the wrong side of the law. My name is Stacy Douglas. I'm Associate Professor of Law and Legal Studies at Carleton University, and I'm here today at the 13th Berlin Biennale, where I'm presenting an artwork in this courthouse behind me on Lehrterstrasse in Berlin.